Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. We're so happy you're here.
Today's topic is first love memories.
Oh, this should be interesting.
Why do you sound nervous?
Because someone might recognize my story.
Don't worry, we're not naming any names.
Good. I'd like to keep my dignity.
Leo, do you remember your first crush?
Remember? How could I forget? I was 12. I thought I was the coolest kid in school. Looking back, I definitely wasn't.
What happened?
Every morning, I'd walk past her classroom, pretending it was a coincidence.
Wait, every morning?
Every single morning. I even took the longer route.
You're kidding.
Nope. Young Leo thought he was a genius.
I think everyone tried to impress their first crush.
Oh, absolutely. Some people wrote poems, some showed off in sports. I tried to tell jokes.
Let me guess. Nobody laughed?
Exactly. Except my best friend. He laughed at me, not at the joke.
That's what best friends do. Support you. By making fun of you first.
Every single time.
You know what's funny? Back then, the smallest things felt huge. If your crush smiled at you, you thought about it all day.
Or if they said, hi, you immediately started planning your wedding.
Seriously. One smile. And suddenly, you couldn't stop smiling.
Childhood logic was amazing.
Okay. Tell me your most embarrassing story.
Fine. I wrote a little note. It said, I like you. I plan to put it on her desk.
That's actually sweet.
It was. Until I dropped it. Right in front of the teacher.
No way!
Oh, yes. The teacher picked it up, read it, looked at me, and smiled. I wanted the floor to open up.
What did the teacher say?
She just said, maybe focus on your homework first.
Isn't it funny? Years go by, life changes, but we still remember our first crush.
I think it's because everything felt new. Every emotion was stronger. Every little moment mattered.
That's true. Even if it didn't become a love story, it became a beautiful memory.
And sometimes that's enough.
Looking back, I don't remember expensive gifts or perfect moments.
Me neither. I remember the butterflies, the nervous smiles, the silly mistakes.
Those memories make us smile today, even if they were embarrassing back then.
Exactly. And honestly, I wouldn't change a thing.
That's all for today's episode. We hope our stories reminded you of your own first love memories.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what do you remember about your first crush? The funny moments, the awkward moments, or the sweetest memory?
We'd love to read your stories.
If you enjoyed today's conversation, please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss a new episode.
Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
Thank you for spending your time with us. We truly appreciate every one of you. We love you all.
And keep making beautiful memories. Bye, everyone.